Discover the magic of airdrops, the ultimate marketing strategy shaking up the crypto world. And in this video, you'll get a beginner's idea of what an airdrop is, the purpose of an airdrop, how you can earn for it, and if you stick around till the end, I'll list out my top 3 airdrops that can earn you a 5-figure income. Remember, the last best time to start earning from airdrops was 6 to 12 months ago. The next best time is now. Now to it. Imagine getting free tokens delivered straight to your crypto wallet, just like free samples in a shopping mall. Since August 2017, airdrops have exploded in popularity, becoming the hottest trend in cryptocurrency. Picture this: newbie projects giving away tokens to spread the word before their big launch. It's all about getting the product out there. You need to remember that cryptocurrencies are valuable only because people believe in them and recognize their value. The more people owning digital currencies, the more likely it is that they will be widely accepted and their value will increase. So, how do you join the airdrop frenzy? It's simple. Grab your essentials: a cryptocurrency wallet, a browser like Chrome or Brave, your internet connection, smartphone, laptop, a Twitter account, now X, a Discord account, Telegram account, and your email. Now, let's dive into the action. First, scout out the airdrop announcement on the project's website or socials, presumably Telegram or Twitter. Read the details carefully to understand what's required. Remember, as long as you can read, you can earn. Safety first. Ensure the link is legit before clicking. A warning to beginners: the crypto world is filled with scammers, so make sure you do your research before clicking any link. To put your mind at ease, if you don't want to do the dirty work of research, stick around till the end of the video where I'll be recommending 3 high-end coins for you to start earning from. Now back to business. Once you're in, connect your wallet. You may be asked to input a referral code. You'll find this in a post on their social media page. Get cozy with the website by linking your socials, email, and other accounts. Now, it's time for the tasks. Follow the instructions closely to ace them. Some airdrops might ask for KYC verification or personal info. Stay sharp and only share what's necessary through secure channels. Keep grinding. Completing tasks daily could lead to bigger rewards. Stay tuned for updates from the project and keep your security game strong. Joining the project's community channels can unlock even more perks and insights. With these steps, you're set to conquer the airdrop universe and grab those shiny tokens. If you've learned something from this video so far, do well to leave a like. Also share to others. There are people who need this information. And now finally, for the moment you've all been waiting for, here are my top 3 airdrops. First we have the Not coin, then the Over wallet, and finally the OpenX network. All 3 coins here are ones with a high potential, alpha coins. And the good news is they're completely free.